We're here at the Innerborough School at the Google Summit together with our partner Deploy Learning. We're really excited for this one day of professional learning for teachers, by teachers. So we've got great presentations all day, how to use many of the latest AI tools and technology tools in your classroom. So come to a Google Summit. We look forward to seeing you and see you in the next one.
There's tons of teachers coming in today to learn more about how you use Google in the classroom, how you use technology in the classroom, and how you sort of make learning better for kids. We basically work with schools to help them understand all this stuff, and it's a lot of fun. You should try and make it to the next one if you didn't make it to this one.
My favourite thing about these summits is seeing everybody connecting. So teachers from different schools coming in, having chats with everybody else around what they're doing, the technology that they're using, and seeing those little sparks fly everywhere. That's the best feeling, and it's what makes today successful.
We are seeing the incredible explosion of AI, particularly generative AI, really make an impact in education, and the work that we are doing at Google with partners like Deploy Learning to try and actually make sure that that incredible technology is finding its way into the hands of the incredible teachers to help our young people thrive. So come along, meet like-minded teachers. These are your people.